Russia's Mosin-Nagant rifles and carbines served the empire and ensuing socialist republic well for over 3 generations through 2 world wars, revolutions, and civil war. It may not enjoy the reputation of service rifle contemporaries, Mauser and Lee Enfield, but it was a sturdy and relatively simple rifle. And it was Russian. Its lineage from 1892 through production and contracts, war and revolutions is compounded by manufacture in China, Finland, Czechoslovakia, France, Hungary, Romania, Poland, and the United States, as well as the Russian arsenals. Updates and reworks were also effected in Austria, Bulgaria, and Germany, with components made in Belgium, Switzerland, and communist Asian countries. The Model 1944 carbine differs from its 1938 predecessor in a slightly longer barrel and attached spike bayonet which folds flat along the right side of the forestock when it's not in use. Specifications: cartridge 7.62 by 54 millimeters rimmed. Muzzle velocity 2,690 feet per second. Overall length 40 inches. Barrel length 20.4 inches. Weight 8 pounds 14 ounces. Magazine integral box, single stack. Magazine capacity 5 rounds. Charger frame. Action manual. Rotating bolt. Effective range, 1,000 yards.